In this video, I will show you how to record a workout in the Oura Ring app. Now, this is very simple, so let's get started. First, let's open the Oura Ring app, as you can see, and in the top down right corner of your screen, you see a little plus button. So first I want to say, if you wear your Oura Ring during your workouts, Oura Ring should automatically add those workouts. So for example, if you are skiing and you did not select that you are going to do a workout or anything else, Oura Ring should automatically add this workout to the app, and it should ask you did you went for a ski trip or ski session, and then you can just confirm it and maybe change the time a bit, but it should automatically track your workouts as well as your location, as well as your heart rate, etc. But if it doesn't, or if you just want to be secure that it actually tracks your workout, you can tap on record workout right there. So tap on record workout, and the difference between record workout and add workout is basically, if you tap on record workout, it will record a workout that you're going to do right now, and add workout is if you did a workout, so you can add it afterwards, right? So let's go to a record workout right now, and as you can see, your ring of course needs to be connected. Then you can select the specific workout. So there are only a few workouts available right now, which is very sad. But we cannot do much about it. Let's select walking, for example, and then you just need to tap on record, and that is it. Now it will track your location, the calories, your heart rate, etc. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.